Stop worrying about cracking your knuckles. Let's get to the truth you've been waiting for. People have been saying it for years. Crack your knuckles and you'll get arthritis. But what's the real science behind it? Should you stop cracking your knuckles right now? Hold up. Before you crack your knuckles again, here's the truth you need to know. Cracking your knuckles might annoy your friends, but guess what? There's no evidence it causes arthritis. It's just gas bubbles popping in your joints, completely harmless. Tag that friend who cracks their knuckles all the time. Do you crack yours? Comment below, and save this myth bust for later.